Back again. For those who know, those who don't know, this is my 19, I think it's like 87, something like that answer, Railway Drive. So I have been here for quite some time, like roughly 3 years or so, and it getting down. It already has been down before, but you know, get a little worse now, sitting down for the past 3 years. The court had enough attention, enough fun, so it's time for the Lancer now. A friend of mine, he's a car salesman at the local Nissan dealership, and he had sold this guy a brand new vehicle. The guy had told him, "Oh yeah, I have a car here, I have no uses for it. You know anybody that want it?" And when he was actually going to the customer, told me, "Come along, at least come and look at the car." When I got there, I saw this Railway Drive Lancer. So of course at that point now it was like, yeah, I want the car. The guy told me, "Well, okay, if you want it, come and get it." I was like, "Seriously?" He told me, "Yeah, I have no uses for it." The next day, I went and I got it. The clutch was dead. It needed a clutch. Funny enough, a couple months afterwards, he had called me and told me that he was looking around home and he found some parts that might be useful to me. When I went, the guy had a brand new clutch. Well, brand new is relative because he had them from since 19 something. So in 2016, and he bought them in 19 something, more so unused. Years ago, back in the 2013, 2012, I was used to see the previous owner with the car. And I always used to say, well, you know, I would really love to own one of these older Lancers. And now, here I am, the owner of said car. That's a whole lot of play, but oh, that's something. Alright, hold on. The steering let go. This is what happens when you neglect cars for too long. What is that? What? That's a fish?
That's what?
I'm gonna rock the steering, let me see something. Oh crap. It's inside the steering, what's that as well, let go. Wow, undo that there, so. You top there? And see if we could look down inside to see what's going on in there. So we have a slight problem here. And as soon as it's turn the steering, here's something all up a box. That seems as though something that go inside of here. These other vehicles had a steering box and not the regular steering rack. Something that go inside of here just now, I'm not sure what, but I could turn the steering wheel full 360. The wheels ain't about your ring. Let's see if we could find a quick fix here. The bolts out, not out. I have never played around anything like this in my life, so I really don't know what to expect. I don't know what to look for. Obviously the most important thing is to at least take it off, look inside it, see if there's something you could do a quick fix with, and at least get the car from down here. Somewhere, somehow, something has dragged a fish in here. Bit nasty. Even more reason why I need to get this from down here and in back in working order. I'm gonna try and risk a thing here and hopefully get it pulled out, but No steering. Nothing at all. Alright, we're gonna go and actually try to fight to turn the steering by hand. So nothing is happening. I don't feel the brakes could be locked off, or they shouldn't be, at least. Because I let go, because he left on the handbrake, and then want them off either way the linings for the brake back the brake shoe. Alright, go long. Let me see if I can push at the same time. Don't feel me pushing to do much anything, but worth a try. Reverse and like bounce forward. Go forward so that I can pull it. Stop there, stop! Okay, at least move. But no, steering is the problem. Yeah, it locked the other way. So we might go try to think I literally pull wrong the steering. Yeah. If you get the wheels turned straight, so well, not straight, so but so to the right, it should be able to come right out.
Yeah, that if you can push it back, the more you get it.
All right, hopefully this works. Start up. So it's out. Yeah, you're good there. Come back. Where you want to put it?
I want my thing up on it.
Down there? Oh no. I want.
Maybe straight like so.
So?
Yeah.
How you is normally, bro?
Yeah.
Alright.
Or either that you can put it straight there.
So?
Yeah. But already angle up too far.
But I really wanting, and because it obviously still want work. But still got the slaves to work on it. Got out. Here it is. My shoe must come out. Oh, here rust. This is even before I had it. This door, I guess it might be better off changing this door altogether. Yeah. A little sand there. There's a little spot with the trunk that would dealing with. On the top of here. Bonnet. These are the dogs. Just having at it, trying to get at the rat. Oh, here go do. Right. Here. So, for Curtis age, I'd probably never get bodywork. If it did, name major, 2020. I guess it's still in okay condition. So next video I would try to check out the engine and gearbox, check out your upholstery and that kind of stuff, and send it off to get bodywork. So that's all folks.